Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can check which CapCut version you have on your PC. So I have just updated my CapCut version, so this is the version I currently have. And to check your own version, you are going to go to menu, go to more, and go to version. And as you can see, my current version is 1.0.5. You can check for updates here if you haven't updated, but my one is the latest version. And if you do check for updates here and you see one, make sure you update your CapCut to the newest one. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!